Hello guys, what's going on? In today's video I'm going to show you how we can use Dall-e 2 on our iOS device. So follow my steps and let's go. So the first things first, we should open our Google and we should type Dall-e 2 in our search bar. Here's our first link, openai.com and Dall-e. We should log in or create an account. Because I have an account, I will just log in. I will use my Google account. I will choose my account and that's it, we are in. So as you can see, there are so many photos, different styles, shapes, colors and so on. So what we're gonna do is our dashboard, as you can see, and in this bar we should type some description of our art, what we want to write, what we want to create. And an example, beautiful blonde girl in the garden, for example, and click generate button here and let's wait for the results. Here's some tips about this website. And guys, as you can see, here's our generated results from blonde girl in the garden photos. You can try another example, just beautiful blonde in the garden with a blue dress. And yeah, as you can see, a blonde girl with a blue dress in the garden. Our results. Very cool website for generating some photos if you need something. So I hope this video was so helpful for you. Subscribe the channel and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.